Meaning of hill walking.
Hillwalking.
Hill walking.
Hillwalking.
Hillwalking. Hillwalking is a term used to describe the activity of walking or hiking in hills and mountains, usually for enjoyment or physical exercise. Hillwalking can be done as a solo activity or in groups, and often involves following established trails or routes to reach the summit of a hill or mountain. The activity can vary in difficulty depending on the terrain and weather conditions encountered, and may require the use of specialized equipment such as hiking boots, waterproof clothing, and navigation tools. Hillwalking can provide a sense of achievement, satisfaction from physical exertion, and appreciation for natural landscapes.